dirty, stinking old man. So after robbing that bedroom, you just went there. You went there and you started. Get out of here before I slap you. So after mobbing that bedroom, you just entered there and you went there and messed everywhere up. Dirty, stinking old man. Look at you, crippled. They just want to punish me and bring all the punishment upon me because of you. Just look at you, crippled old man.
But I just decided to take care of myself now since Oyiko wasn't around.
No, so because Oyiko wasn't around, you can't even wait for him to come and clean you up. You went there, you messed the whole place that I just mopped up.
Don't you think it's okay?
If I slap you.
Don't you think, why would you be treating this man like this every time?
Remember that you're my younger sister. If you do anyhow, I will use this thing on you.
Doesn't matter. You can't treat people like this because you are older than me. It's not right.
Eh?
It's not.
See this one. So if I'm talking, you will not be talking. You, tiny thing like you.
Baba, please, I'm so sorry.
The next time that you go there and you mess that place up, this one is the smallest thing I will do to you. I will rough you.
Baba, please, I'm sorry. I don't know why she behaves like this every time. I don't know. You know, probably it's because she mopped that place. That is why. But Baba, you shouldn't have done that. You know, probably it's because she's the one that mopped that place. That's why she's angry. But you should have waited for Oyiko to come and beat you.
I just decided that let me just at least help myself. I can't be waiting on everybody every time.
I understand. First of all, I noticed you've not eaten today. Here, let me quickly call Oyiko to come change your clothes and bring you food and mop this place.
Only today where I late come, they don't wait ground. No, which kind of old man said with this? I don't change them now. Should I make me see wet ground again? But I plenty. Baba, this girl brought her. Give the never marry. I don't know my papa, she do this kind of nonsense. I go beat her, man. Nonsense. No thought, no get sense. The 1,500 naira wig.
Daddy.
Mandy. Oh,
Daddy, please, just take.
I don't have the appetite, please. Mandy, thank you very much.
You know you've not eaten since morning. Oh yeah, please, just take this spoon.
I don't have the appetite.
Okay, take water. You've not eaten anything since morning. You need to eat something, Daddy.
I don't have the appetite.
Just take this spoon.
Are you okay? Are you mad? Are you crazy? How dare you go into my kitchen, to my pot, and take food to feed this dirty, crippled? If you try it, I will squeeze you and spread you on the sun.
I don't want any problem. Please.
What are you gaining from all these things you are doing, Ella?
I am gaining a lot. I'm gaining too much. Because I don't know why you would just carry my food that I cooked with my hard-earned money to give to this cripple. If I see you... Daddy, please now. Eat something, even if it's just one spoon.
Daddy, are you alright, sir?
My dear, welcome.
Are you fine, sir?
Babe, welcome.
Are you sure?
I'm okay.
Babe, welcome.
So, Ella, what's with the act?
Act?
Mm-hmm.
What act?
The whole act, the whole pretense, the whole fooling of yourself that you've been doing since. What's with it?
Fooling myself how? I don't understand.
You don't understand? Oh, you thought I've not been seeing everything you've been doing to my dad? How you maltreat him, how you make mess of him?
Me?
You.
Me, Ella.
You, Ella.
Maltreat your dad. Daddy is the best person in the whole wide world. Why would I want to even maltreat him?
Daddy is the best person in the whole wide world. But you've been maltreating him, haven't you?
How?
Alright, you might think I don't know, I've not seen why. Actually, I'm dumb. But the fact is, There's a CCTV camera over there. And it has been capturing everything that you've been doing. Oh, if you still do not believe, I have video clips here. So maybe this would help you believe. Can you see? Can you see me pouring water on my dad's head? Eh? Eh? So now you came here and you're faking it just because you saw me. No, explain now. I'm all ears. No, I'm all ears.
My son, I'm happy. We have not wasted money. We have not wasted money setting up security camera.
Yes, actually, the whole security camera thing was a plan between I and my dad.
You can walk?
Yes, he can walk. As you
I can
see.
run even. Can outrun you.
Daddy.
Mandy, just take it easy. You see? So, my son, I am very happy that you listen to me. You understand? And fortunately now, we are still planning to marry her. So we have not done much. So it's even good. But you know one thing?
What's that?
You have not lost. Your wife is still here. Your wife is still here.
Yes,
My wife is still
yes,
here.
it's me.
She, God forbid that I get married to this thing. This thing here, no, not me.
So when I say that, who do you think I'm talking about? I'm
How,
talking about the younger sister. The younger sister, yes.
The younger sister.
Exactly. She has been taking care of me. If it had been me and her alone, probably you would have met my body here. Yes.
Well, Dad, truth be told, I've actually been hiring the younger sister before, but you know, it's because I already went for the other one and I thought she was sane and sensible enough,
my son,
to be in our family.
Let us put plan in action. This is a wife material.
So now the sister is not a wife material, but the younger one is, Abby?
Yes.
So you've heard everything now, isn't it? I wouldn't like us to go violent, actually, because it was all a plan. I said we did everything so you could bring out the demon, the beast in you.
Please.
We thought you wouldn't be like that. We wanted to see whether you were here for the sweet honey and everything that is rosy, but we see that is what you actually came for. You're a good digger.
Babe,
Please, what did you call me now?
I'm sorry, I will change.
Yes, you will change. Yes, you will change your environment and your space, which is you are changing my house. You are not staying here anymore.
Exactly. Exactly.
If you touch me, I will knock you. I will knock you. If you touch me, I will knock you.
My son, Maza.
So now you've heard, My daddy that will bring to your house to come and ask for your hand in marriage, he said he's not interested again. And there's nothing I can do. I cannot disobey him and follow you. Because I know you do worse if I happen to be on the same wheelchair that you thought he would not stand up for. Well, actually, he was healed after we went for the last operation, but you didn't know. So that was part of the plan. As you've heard, my dad said he's not interested in you, and I'm also not interested in you. Yes, before you go, Mandy, would you like to be my wife?
Say yes for me, Mandy. Please say yes for me.
Yes, I will.
Yes!
Mandy!